Hello chess friends, how are you again? In this video I'm gonna solve five puzzles, and we start with number one, white to move mate in 3. So we can see that the black king is cornered there, and we can checkmate using pawns. So in order to do that, we need to check with our pawn to f5 and then move the king to g3 and then checkmate at h4 with the pawn. So check and then move king to g3 to support the pawn, and then checkmate on h4 by the pawn. Puzzle number 2, white to move and mate in 3. So the idea here is we will check with the bishop so that the black queen uh, cannot cover the check. So check with the bishop and then check again. So you can see here that checkmate on c7 with the black queen not able to cover or defend the black king. Checkmate. Okay, then the next puzzle number 3, is we can see that the white king, okay, black to move mate in 3. We can see that the white king is on the first rank, and if we check using our queen at e1, the only defense for white is to cover with his queen. And once we check using our bishop at e3, so then the king will have to move on h1, sorry, that's force move, and then it's checkmate after that. So we check on e1, check, block, white covers with his queen, force move, and then we check on e3. So it's a force move because the white queen cannot cover, and then checkmate by capturing the white queen. Okay, puzzle number 4, black to move mate in 3. So in here, the idea is to check with all 3 moves using the bishop and the queen. There will be no pawn moves and king moves because the white queen is able to delay our checkmate. So we check on g5. That's a force move for white. And then if we check on d3 using our queen, it's another force move for white. first move, and then it's gonna be checkmate. Using our bishop on h4. Okay, puzzle number 5. So again here, the the idea is to check with the three moves using our queen and bishop, and not allow opportunity for the white queen to check. Okay, in order to do that, we need to check right away on f3. Check. So the reason why we need to check on f3 is that we are able to check on the next move using our bishop to c3, and that will force the king to go to c1, which will allow us to checkmate on the next move right there. Okay, I hope you learned something from these 5 puzzles, and this next puzzle I will solve it in a next video. Okay, cheers and have a good one. Take care.